Montepree videos.
In the Montepree channel you will find many do-it-yourself instructions in the energy field. For example, build your own heat pump, PV storage alternative, build controls without program language, build solar panels inexpensively yourself, and much more. In addition, you will find a number of consulting topics. For example, successfully formulate and apply for patents yourself, your key to the future, value creation systems, magic future, and much more. Almost all the above do-it-yourself and consulting topics were created in German and in English. Copyright by Montepree.
Montepree@gmail.com